continuation of this episode. We have mounted our selfie stick behind here, and we're just cruising. So what we'll do, I think at the end of this, I'll kind of put in the little edit. Showing you these, but this is the one that I really want to show you today. But they'll both function the same. One's just a clamp and one's just a kind of a bolt-on. But I'll show you a couple different applications for these. Here we have a Vespa, a Honda Hornet 900, and then a Triumph Bonneville 750 on that one. So pretty sweet, but we'll show you mounting points for all these bikes and how you can use it. And afterward, we'll just do a little demo ride on the Vespa, so that should be pretty sweet. Great. So when you open the box to that U-clamp, it comes with a ton of stuff, really. This was $36, and I'll be putting a link in the description. But you have an all-metal U-bolt clamp. It will swivel. It locks, does all that, and again, all metal. Besides that, you have like all these quick release GoPro mounts. This is all just so you can drop a GoPro in there real quick and it'll just slide in and out without having to unbolt anything if you don't want to, and that's optional. I don't use it, I just kind of bolt it in there. Besides that, you get just a little wrench. So I'll be showing you first on the Vespa, and we have a GoPro 13 and an Insta 360 we'll be testing out. So here's the 360 and here's the selfie stick. So a couple options really, and I'm going to bring you around. Mounting points on the Vespa for behind us we're going to do here, and we'll be doing the Insta 360 behind us here, and then we're going to try up here also. Or, I mean, if this is a quick video, I'll just show you. So this is where I would use like the clamp mounts. You could use a clamp right here, right here. I would just clamp it right here and then adjust it. And then on, say, the Honda, like kind of like a super naked bike, so to speak, just a big bike without fairings. This one you could clamp here. You could clamp your like selfie stick here. On something like the Triumph, you know, like the Triumph Bonneville, or just an awesome kind of like old school standard bike. Again, you could clamp it to these handlebars. You could clamp up here. Coming around out the back, you could use the passenger grab rail. There's a lot of mount. I'll kind of demonstrate one now. I'll put the camera back. Hopefully you can still see me. Okay, so we got that there, and then we'll be taking this guy. Just gonna unbolt it real quick. Okay, so don't lose your pieces. There we go. So for our first method here, hopefully you can see, yeah, cool. For our first method here, we're just going to be using the back section. And so like we're just going to be taking this. Sorry about this firewood, we have it drying out. We just kind of clamp, and I'll be bringing you over in just a moment. I'll clamp like that. And we're just going to start with the first screw. Let's do the seconds. So let's kind of get this in the middle, and just to show you guys how this looks, I'm gonna get my little wrench. Oh, my little wrench is over here. Yeah, so this guy's kind of clipped on here like this, and then we're just gonna kind of tighten it down. But you can see this will swivel, this will do whatever. So this is really cool. So let's get a wrench. The wrench is included. I'm just going to tighten this guy up here. Yeah, so make sure you get it all nice and tight. You don't want your camera flying off during a ride. That would be a bummer. Okay, that's not coming off, I promise you. Next step. So now you can see that's all on there. Sweet. Next, we have our little selfie stick here, and that's going to go on like this. And then let's go ahead and tighten everything down. work. Now we're going to have this guy. This is our Insta 360 X4. So that will be screwing in here. Okay. So now, yeah, that's on there and that's attached, and you can kind of extend this to however you would like. I don't recommend putting it like too high up unless you have a really good selfie stick, because they can break. You know, if you go over a bump or something, it can totally break. But what we're going to do is try something like this, just for fun. Making sure we're all tight. I'm just kind of increasing the tension on these bolts just because we're extended out a little bit. I feel like that would be awesome. So we'll test that. Put everything back. Okay. Well, this is fun. We got this huge selfie stick on here. And really on the other bikes, you do the same thing. I just showed you the mounting points. But on the Vespa, we're going to try the back. So let's go ahead and try this. I'm going to pause for a second.